Hi, welcome to newbeginning.com, and I just wanted to tell you why you need this course, why you need this SEO course. I have been a solopreneur almost whole of my life, and only one solopreneur understands other solopreneur, neither their friends nor family. As a solopreneur, you wear many hats, and most of the solopreneurs they don't have huge budget to grow their business. And many are scared of SEO. I was scared of SEO, but I want to tell you that, you are smart. You started your own business, so you can do your SEO too. And it's always good to know the basics of SEO that you can apply in each and every content creation. And if you want to outsource, yeah, that option is also there. We do provide DFI SEO for you at a really fraction of price, but it's always good to know the basic SEO. So we have this SEO course, and it's beginner's course so that you can utilize it and you can grow your business. You can improve your search engine rankings. You can increase your organic traffic, and it is very cost effective. And that is the thing, because solopreneurs means we have to be very prudent about whatever money we are investing into it. Enhance user experience. It is not just about search engine, it is also for user experience, it is for business growth. So I really believe this course will change your life. It changed my life. I was really scared of SEO, but I took this course and it really helped me in each and every area. So I'm just sharing my blessings with you. And when I took the course, I didn't have any other benefits, but now I'm providing you many other benefits, like I'm providing you free access to joint venture group. Yeah, when you're starting new into the business, it's always advisable to borrow somebody else's audience. Priority promotions on multiple platforms, podcast, YouTube, blogs. And we are not charging like PR media agencies, they charge thousands of dollars. We are just charging minimum, actually, the admin fee. Ongoing live training. So you come up with any question, we will have community and support to you all the time through our ongoing live trainings, and weekly subscribers only resources. They are available only to you. So just give a try. We have premium guarantees. If you take full course and if it doesn't work for you, we will make sure, we will handhold and we'll make sure that you get the results. So that's why I want to tell you this course changed my life. It made me profitable. So I just want you to be profitable in your business too. Thank you.